Karbi Lamet Amei Nihang Donsuri zone concludes second monsoon poetry meet on 23rd July at Bokajjan Sports Association Auditorium Hall, Bokajjan. The event was started at 8 a.m. with a memorial service led by Dakwam Rongpi in presence of Dr. Numal Momin, Deputy Speaker, Assam Legislative Assembly, was done to honor all the departed literatures. The second monsoon poetry meet was chaired by Tukeswar Terang and the introduction of the guest was done by Samprikimi Phangcho, General Secretary, KLA and DLA. Surjay Rongphar, EM Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, attended the event as the chief guest, and Barem Ingti, President KLA, Padma Shri Dhaneshwar Ingti, Longki Timung, ex-speaker, Jivan Chandra Pathak, ex-EM, Ram Singh Togbi, Joy Singh Togbi, General Secretary KLA, Jitu Phukan, AJYCP President, KADC, and many dignitaries attended the event. Souvenir Donsuri Alir Alokimo was opened by Padma Shri Dhaneshwar Ingti. As many as 40 poets from across the district had participated in the poetry competition and more than 50 poets had recited their poems at the event. The winner of the poetry competition was awarded with a prize, and the winner of the competition are as follows. First place goes to Sanjoy Bey from KLA HDP branch. Second place goes to Rup Singh Togbi from KLA Hanjang Langso branch. Third place goes to Homaira Bepi from KLA Bokajjan branch. 5 consolation prizes were also given to Bura Singh Ronghang from KLA Dongka Chingthu branch, Dhoniram Teron from KLA Inglongpo branch, Birendra Rongpi from KLA Horichand Sarpo branch, Sorjan Bey from KLA Tarkong branch, and the last but not the least, Indrajit Teron from KLA Rongthelu branch. Anand Terang's report from Bokajjan, Karbi Anglong Live.